Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Posa, and if today is your first time of watching my video, I'll kindly advise you to push the subscribe button and also turn on your notification to get our videos firsthand. Alright, without wasting much of your time, I want to take you through a massive strategy that works. It has been tested and it works effectively on boom and crash. Don't forget, before you start trading, you should have basic knowledge about trading before you go into trading. Now, if you don't really have that, you can read the description. You will see our number there. Our website is also open. You can reach us through our website to get more information. All right, let's go straight to the point for today. Now, boom and crash, these are synthetic index market. It's either you are working in favor of the market or you are working against the market. Now, to trade on crash, you trade on downtrend. Now, how do you know if it's on downtrend? You should know the average, moving average 48 line. Once candles are forming below the average 48 line on M5, that is on M5 here, if it's forming below, that means it's on downtrend, which is suitable for crash market. Now, if it's forming above, the candles are forming above the moving average 48 line, that means that will be suitable for boom market. Boom 500 and crash 1000. The market will be suitable for those the market will be suitable for them. Now, without wasting much of your time, I'm using crash 500 boom 500 as a case study here to explain this strategy to you. I hope you find this video lovely and interesting. Now, without bombarding your head with so much indicators, I'll be going through these indicators. You can easily pause the videos to, understand it more better. You can pause the videos to check and make sure you set it the same way I'm setting it. Now, the indicators you will be needing are just simple. These are the indicators you'll be needing. The Bollinger Bands. Now, these are the settings you will use for the Bollinger Bands. The period is 60. The period, don't forget, the period is 60. Deviation 2.0. Shift 0. Apply to close. Style 3 pixel. Then the color, you can choose this. You click on done. This will come out. This is the Bollinger Band. This is the upper Bollinger Band. This is the middle Bollinger Band. This is the lower Bollinger Band here. This one here. That is this green, this one, this, and this. Now, we have successfully added the Bollinger Band. The next thing we'll be adding here, the next we'll be adding is our moving average 22. Now, this is the settings. Period 22, shift 0. Just go through them so that you understand. Method, simple, apply to close. Style, 3 pixel. Once you are done, you click on done. It comes out. Now, this is it here. This is it here. You can see. Now, the next we'll be adding is our moving average 48 line, which is very important. This helps you to know the trend of the market, so that you will know if you are going to initiate a trade or not. Because what we find out that most traders, they trade blindly. They just come online, they just place a trade, and at the end of the day, they will lose their money, thinking probably their broker are scamming them. No, you didn't analyze the market well. So this average 48 is a little way. It's a way you can easily, analyze the markets. This average 48 line. Use these settings, then you click on done. This will help you analyze the market easily, to know the trend of the market. Now you put it on H1. Now you can see it's on uptrend, which is suitable to aim for the boom, the spikes. You aim for it now because it's on uptrend, because the candles forming currently now on H1 are above the average, the yellow average 48 line, which is very suitable for you to aim for boom. Now what you will do now here is very easy. You can still go and confirm it on M5. Now you can see, now you can easily aim for the spikes. You can aim for the spikes here, since it's on uptrend. It's already on uptrend. So the next thing you will take note of, that I want to explain to you, that can still help you to know when to place a buy on boom market, is this. You can use the Bollinger Band. You can use the Bollinger Band here. This Bollinger Band here, it shows you the extent to which market has gone. Now you can see a sell candle. This M1, you can see the sell candles. Now once these sell candles are touching the lower Bollinger Bands, it's easy for you to just place a trade, and it comes. You will see the boom, it comes. That is another simple way you can aim, a popular way you can aim for, spikes. Even you can use the opposite here on crash market. Let me just navigate to crash market. It's the same thing apply for the crash market. Now, like I said, on boom you trade on uptrend. On crash you aim for spikes on downtrends. Now, as you can see here, since the candles are already forming below the average 48 line, you can check H1. You can see it's forming below. So now if you check previous markets, once it's forming below the average 48 line, you should expect spikes, massive spikes. You should expect spikes once it's forming below. Now this is crash. So let's continue with the settings. Now this like I said, I've showed you this. This is the MACD settings. Now the MACD settings, the fast EMA 52, the slow EMA 9, MACD SMA 7. Please take note of this. These are the settings that will help you to catch those spikes. Now you set it this way. Once you are done, you can pause the video to check all this, and you click on done. Now you are done with that. The next we'll be adding is our Williams percentage range, which period is 25. Now the levels, which is very important here, the level here is -65 for the first one, while the second one is -15. Once you are done, you click on back, then you click on done. Now you are done with all the settings here. Now, how do you catch these spikes? How do you catch these spikes? Listen attentively. These are the ways you catch spikes. Another way you can catch spikes. Now, if these candles are forming, now let's use this chart here. Now, if this green line here crosses this dotted line here, this dotted line here, this dotted line 15, once it crosses it and start forming a parabolic curve, like it's going down, at that point you can place a trade to aim for crash. You can place a trade to aim for crash, the spikes down. At this point, it's very massive. You get it clear. Now, if it's below, immediately below here, at this point, immediately crossing this other line here, is crossing it at this point, coming down, and it's on, and you've confirmed here, once you confirm with your average 48 line that the candles are forming below the average 48 line. At this point, you can place a trade here. Now, if I should place a trade here, within some seconds, you will see a spike down because it's on a set trend. Now, this is a confirmation. This is a confirmation. Once it crosses this line here, this line here, and it crosses it down here, this is a confirmation. This is a confirmation that there will be a spike. Once it, like if you check previous markets, once it crosses and start forming a parabolic curve here, once you place a trade, you get it clearly. Once it crosses this, don't forget, once it crosses this 15 dotted line here, once it crosses it and comes down a little, just place your trade. Don't be scared. Place your trade. This strategy has been tested and it's working perfectly. It's working well. It has been tested and it's working well. All might not come at the same time. If you are thinking maybe each time you see these signs it will just fall down. No, it might not come at a particular time, but it might just delay with some seconds or minutes. You can just delay, but it will definitely come. You just need to understand risk management and the kind of lot size you use for a particular trade. You should not over leverage your account. You should know how to work with the amount you are having on your account. Don't over leverage your account. For mentorship / training, you can also contact us. We are available. We can put you through so you can understand. We can still give you more strategies. We still have more strategies that works, and it works. It has been tested and it works fine. So like I said, once you see this line here, this line coming, let me just use this arrow here. Once you see this line and it crosses this dotted 15 line here, just know that at this point it wants to start falling down. It's a confirmation for you. Like I said, before you start trading, don't forget the trend, to take note of the trend of the market. This will help you when you are aiming for spikes on boom market and crash market. This works for both markets. It works for crash and boom. Crash 500, crash 1000, boom 500, boom 1000. It's working effectively. Alright guys, I hope this video finds you well and helps you maximize your profit. Don't forget to push the subscribe button and turn on your notification so you can receive more of our strategies, because we'll be dropping strategies from time to time. Thank you very much and do have a blissful day.